I think she loves you. Your smile, your kindness, and the way you always show up for her. But let me tell you something brutal. She doesn't love you. She loves the version of herself she becomes when she's with you. And the second that version stops making her feel alive, she's gone. Most men believe love is built on loyalty, shared memories, and sacrifice, but psychology tells us otherwise. Carl Jung once said, "The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed." She's not seeking you. She's seeking that transformation. The feelings of safety, excitement, validation, and desire, those are the real currency in her emotional economy. In relationships, we are all mirrors. You reflect back to her the image she wants to believe about herself. If she sees a powerful, beautiful, desired version of herself in your eyes, she feels drawn to you. But the moment your mirror cracks, when you stop seeing her that way, or when she stops seeing herself through you, the attraction fades like smoke. And here's the dangerous part. This isn't conscious. She doesn't decide to stop loving you. She just stops feeling the same way, and she won't even know why. The challenge. She's more interested when she feels she hasn't fully won you. Emotional intensity, drama, laughter, passion. The roller coaster keeps her addicted. Status reflection. You elevate her social value. Unpredictability. She never fully knows what you'll do next, which keeps her chasing. Self-expansion. Being with you makes her feel she's becoming someone greater. Remove even one of these, and the foundation of her attraction starts to crumble. And here's where most men fall apart. You make the mistake of trying to earn love by giving more, sacrificing more, proving more. But in doing so, you kill the very dynamics that made her attracted in the first place. You go from the man she desires to the man she controls. And once she has complete control, she doesn't respect you. And without respect, love cannot survive. This is why the man who did everything right ends up abandoned. Love is not about possession. It's about emotional experiences. If you want her to stay, you must constantly renew those experiences, not through desperation, but through living a life that keeps you magnetic. A man who is evolving, growing, and challenging her worldview will always be more desirable than the man who simply loves her more. And when you understand this and you stop chasing women, you start building yourself, and she will either rise to meet you or watch you walk away. The harsh truth? She's not in love with you. She's in love with how you make her feel about herself. And the moment you stop being the source of those feelings, she'll find them somewhere else. So stop asking, how do I make her love me? Start asking, how do I become the man she can never forget?